Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Today is the last design in this mandala challenge. Let's begin. In today's video, what I want to share is no message or not any story, but I would like to sincerely thank people who are directly or indirectly involved in making this challenge happen. I definitely would like to thank God for giving me the idea of making this challenge happen. I'm sure without God's support, I wouldn't have done this challenge without any problems, even for a single day. Maybe some of them think you made the art, your children edited. What has God anything to do? No, I look at it like this. I didn't fall sick to the extent that I cannot make the art. My son, all the 31 videos of August Challenge were edited by my younger son. He didn't fall sick too. So, looking at it that way, I definitely would like to thank God wholeheartedly for all the support and His blessings throughout this month of August, that I could do it without any interruption. Sometimes, yes, I would make some two, three art, record it, and give it to my son. Sometimes, for publishing the video by 6 o'clock, I would start making by 3:30 and give the video to my son by 4:30, and he prioritizes editing the video first and attending to his school assignments next. So, all these things were happening in sync only with God's grace. So, I sincerely thank God. The next is I thank myself for not giving up in between. August challenge, making the art, making the video, and interacting with all of you in the WhatsApp group is not the only thing that I'm doing. I have too many responsibilities on my plate, and I, of course, tend to go through stress sometimes. Sometimes I have sat and recorded video 11 p.m. at night and then finish it by 12:10 a.m. and then I have gone to sleep. Sometimes I get up early in the morning and then finish the recording. I don't know whether it was challenging for all of you or not. It was challenging for me. And I have never asked my son whether it was challenging for him or not. I am only talking from my perspective. So I was trying to multitask, and I think I'm decently successful in making this August challenge happen. Yeah, at times I felt it is overwhelming, but I still continued. It's, because if I'm going to stop, quitting is easy, but if I stop, there are people who are in the WhatsApp group trusting that I'm going to continue and do it. And I don't want to disappoint them. And next, I must thank my three men at home, my husband and my children. Sometimes, whenever I wanted to do multiple artworks at once, I have handed over kitchen to my husband and say, please cook something. I want to record videos. And my request was never rejected. It was always accepted. And for all your information, he is much better a cook than me. And next, I should definitely thank both my children for one common reason. And the reason is whenever I start doing art, whether it is big MDF or small A5 paper, I keep my room door closed while recording, but they come in and say, Ma, your art is amazing, amazing painting, Ma. Sometimes I would have kept a few dots and they come and say, my painting is amazing. And sometimes I would have just picked up a paper and kept it at my desk. I wouldn't have even found the center for this A5 paper. They come and say, amazing painting. I give a look at them. What painting is there? I have not even kept a single dot. And immediately my elder one says, no, ma, the paper that you have kept for painting itself is amazing. It's because you have kept it at your desk. That's why. They have never failed to bring in smile on my face. So at least for that reason, I definitely have to be grateful to them. I don't know for what reason they do that, but when they do it, I thoroughly enjoy whatever they do. Both my kids are not small babies. My elder one is 18 plus, and my this video editor is going to be 16 in another 3 weeks' time. So basically, two teenagers. So imagine the trouble that I have. Basically, the two teenagers, they love irritating me so much. So I've told them when I paint, you please don't disturb. So they make sure they'll come and disturb me. And at the same time, they also do something to make me smile. That's why they say this amazing painting, beautiful colors. No one had ever created art like you. Oh my god, I cannot recall all that they say. Both my kids are into full time into flattering business. I don't know why they love to flatter me a lot. And yes, I love to feel flattered by them too. So I definitely have to thank both my kids for being a pillar of support by editing every single video that I give. And now I should say about my younger one here. He edits only smaller videos like this. And if I ask him why you don't edit the when I make some bigger artwork, he says, Ma, 10th standard, Ma. I have to write board exams. No, I need to prepare. Is it? Board exam. Board exam after 6 months only, no, Sriram. No, no, ma. I cannot prepare board exams after the exams are announced. No, I need to start preparing from now. And then he is too good in shying away from work. And at the same time, if he knows that I'm going to bribe him, he'll be the first person to come and help me out too. And however, he's such a sweetheart. Both my kids edit videos, and that's how my profession is happening at the moment. In every household, it is parents who support their children. In my home, it's slightly different. It's my children who support me in my profession. I don't know what would happen to me if they were not there to edit videos. Video editing is such an expensive stuff. I cannot imagine hiring someone to do that for me. I think it's again God who sent such a great kids to me. So I thank my kids wholeheartedly. Okay. Having thanked God, myself, and my family, now I definitely have to thank each and every one of you who are watching this video, who've been recreating it every single day, posting it in the WhatsApp group, and have been so open minded to receive feedback, and have been generously appreciating the others' work. And there had been a lot of private messages to me from most of you saying that thank you so much, Radha, for your videos. It is helping me. Now, I know a lot of people are benefited with what I do, but not everybody come to me and say I am benefited by what you do. So, according to me, that requires a huge, kind heart to go ahead and say it. So, many of you have told me that, and I see some heartening comments in the YouTube videos. So, thank you, each and every one of you who have been watching the videos. And there are people who have told me, I hear the video first, watch the videos next. Whether I enjoy the art or not, I enjoy the messages that you give. That's what most of you have told me, and thank you so much for all your comments and your appreciations. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, why I do what I do? I love to impact people's lives and minds positively. Again, if you ask why, because I know how important is the mental health. So, if at all I can do something in my control to help people feel better, I am always available to do it. So I need to thank WhatsApp, which provided a platform for us to create a group and be together. Then I definitely have to thank YouTube for providing a platform. I have to thank Instagram because that's where I had put up the details about this August challenge, and many of you joined. While 10 to 20% of this group members I already know, most of them are completely new to me. And the amount of trust that you all showed in joining this challenge without even knowing a bit about me, that surprised me so much. And that is the very reason that gave me enough strength to push through the month of August. Thank you again. I know I have missed a lot of other things. I mean, I need to thank all the materials that I have here, the dotting tools, the every single material that I use. I need to thank my laptop. I need to thank electricity. If I can thank for this August challenge for this entire day today, because there is so much to be grateful for. I know I have missed a lot, but have only recalled 0.1% of what I'm supposed to do. But I'm happy. At least I covered the most important elements of this August challenge. Thank you so much for watching and commenting, liking, sharing all the August challenge videos. Now, I truly, sincerely wish all of you become full time artists, earning your financial freedom through art. And if you think you need help, I am there to help you. So, mandala for today's challenge is done. Go ahead, recreate it, share it with me.